I know you guys have a lot of questions of what is the MYHIXEL control. So it's basically the MYHIXEL 2 and the MYHIXEL Play app. So in here we can find the heating device and the vibrating device. But if you press the both of them, you will activate the Bluetooth system that is integrated in this part of the device and will send all the messages to the MYHIXEL app. So inside is very basic and very simple. This is the heating system that will heat up the sleeve. That is this anatomical, realistic canal. And it's very easy to use and to clean. And in here we have the vibrating system. And of course, we have these 4 magnets that will make it very easy to seal it up, and in order to avoid dust, and it will maintain clean. And we have here 2 systems that will let you gradually set up the suction you want to in order to be more realistic. And this is the recharge system that it plugs through magnets, and it is a USB cable adapter. And in here you can plug in your hands-free device, so you can use it manually or hands-free. And in here we have the MYHIXEL Play app. So it is basically an 8-week course activity where you can find personalized information as you progress on, and because it has an AI system integrated to it. So it's very easy to use and it is completely confidential. So here you have it.